This game is a trip. My mom's credit card declined, so they threw me in jail. Find the keys to break me out. Guys, please ignore what he said and continue to gamble with your parents' credit card on Pet Simulator. This is a game by Badass Experience. It's called Random Friends. It's made by some bitter losers who are just jealous that Pet Simulator makes so much money from children throwing their lives away. Oh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency at 20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There were many reports saying that the robots, now known as Junkbots, are attacking citizens. There were also reports of explosions happening in homes, buildings, and restaurants. Also, the Junkbots have launched a missile to Boston. All residents are advised to do the following instructions: evacuate with supplies, and get out of Massachusetts. The missile will land in Boston in the next 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to bring supplies with you, such as food, clothing, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, cell phones, and a battery-powered radio. If you are over 20 to 40 miles from Boston, evacuate immediately. Please stay tuned for more information as it becomes available.